Hey you! Hey, what's up to all my Portugals out there? I hope you're doing well and I hope you're doing fantastic. So guys, the reason why I'm here in your country, it's because I heard about, this competition called the Junior Eurovision contest where kids are being tested with their talent. And I'm traveling from Jamaica to various parts of the world to encounter, to learn and to educate myself with the music diaspora within your country. So people, I've encountered Inês Gonçalves. Right? The song title is Para Onde Vai o Amor. Yes. And it's a music video. Okay, my people, so I'm here to learn, I'm here to understand. Right? And you're supposed to know this already. Jamaica is based off of dancehall and reggae mostly. We do have other musical genres, but reggae and dancehall is what, put Jamaica on the map where we have, Bob Marley and such. Okay, my people. So let's see, what's up. Let's see what Miss Inez can do. Okay, let's go. Peace.
Como é que o amor não se vê? Se eu sinto aqui tão presente, como é que o amor só se sente? Se ele é tão de mim que é quase gente, para onde vai o amor quando chega a hora de ir embora? E para onde vai a saudade de quem foi e já não volta? Vou guardar em mim esta estante de memórias, é lugar da nossa história.
Wow, this is remarkable. Okay, I do like her voice. I do like her personality. I do like the music. What a beautiful. This seems as if it's a music representing something. Guys, I'm a Jamaican and I do not speak Portugal, right? So if you guys can tell the lyrics down in the comments, that would be so bizarrely amazing. I would appreciate that so much. But guys, based on what I'm hearing, based on what I'm, observing about this song, is that it is very beautiful, right? It's giving a message that it's deep and it's not something that we could able to to overlook. Based on what she's giving on her actions and and how she displayed her beauty, that shows that this song is very amazing. It's speaking on something, but I will go deeper to see what's up.
Estás aqui, afinal tu não partiste. Não dá para dizer adeus a quem eu sou. Como é que o amor, como é que o amor não se vê? Se eu já vi quem não se dá para virar amigo, se é capaz de encontrar quem está perdido, mais vale sentir que fazer sentido.
This is teaching something. As much as though I may not understand the lyrics, but the video is explaining a lot. Hopefully, I'm having the correct theory. Alright? We have to cherish our loved ones. We have to ensure that we make time for our loved ones. Make sure every moment count. Because if that loved one, right, is not coming back, or for example, that loved one is migrated from the country and they can never return back to that specific country they leave from, or that loved one should pass away, then eventually we would know that we should appreciate it while it lasts. Do not take things for granted, right? Because we may not know what may come up about, so we could not able to see that person again. Love our loved one, cherish, make every moment counts. Because trust me, it's a very sad thing to lose something you love so much and it's so dearing to you, it's precious to you, right? So love our friends, family, everyone. It's important, bro. Right? Once that person or once those persons disappeared and there is no trace or hope of them returning, then eventually you'll be saddened. You'll be missing. You'll be reminiscing. You'll be having flashbacks on all the moments you guys had before. Right? So never forget that, bro. Spend time with your family as much as you can, bro.
E de onde vem o amor que responde a todos os porquês? Ele é de gente, é de quem sente, está nos olhos de quem o quer ver. Vou guardar em mim esta estante de memórias, é o lugar da nossa história. Mesmo hoje estás aqui, afinal tu não partiste. Não dá para dizer adeus a quem eu sou. Como é que o amor, afinal, é assim que o amor se vê.
God damn it. God damn it. Hopefully, I'm not getting it wrong. Conspiracy theory. Hopefully, I'm not getting it wrong, but as I stated earlier, you guys can correct me, please. And you guys can leave a like on the video because I tried. And I do not understand the language, but I tried, alright? Just encourage people to love themselves and to love each other and to love the family because once that person is not there anymore, you're going to search, you're going to try find, you're going to go back to the place where you had once fun, right? And everything like that, and nothing seems to be as it was before because they are no longer there. You should love that person who you love the most, right? Cherish it. Never be the one to have a moment where it's going to be the last and you never try to enjoy yourself with that person, right? So my people, this is a very good song, very good video because it's the video I used to justify what I think the video is and the song is. So yeah, I think so. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed my reaction, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, share this to a friend, telling him or her about me, the Jamaican Rock. I'll see you guys in another Junior Eurovision contest. Peace.